assortment of wooden and polystyrene shapes. Begin connecting these in any way that you would like. Cocktail sticks and kebab sticks can be pierced through the polystyrene shapes to hold them together. Continue adding to your sculpture until you are happy with it. Cut off any sticks that may be sticking out from your sculpture. You may want to use a hot glue gun too to secure the polystyrene if the pieces are too heavy to hold with cocktail sticks. Using stone or metallic spray paints, spray your sculpture all over. This will make your sculpture look like it is made from stone, brass or marble.